Welcome back to another fun-filled and exciting episode of It's Easier to Take It Somewhere Else. I don't know what's going on today. Not sure what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be working on this though. The bug. Why is it so dark? I don't know why this is so dark. Huh. Let me see if I can figure this out. Not sure what I did. I hit a little asterisk. Alright, it seems to be a neutral balance right now. So, anyway. I'm going to be working on this, on this in particular. That down in there. Yeah. When I first got the bug, I did the top sides of the frame rail, if you want to call them, transmission mount rail. I don't know the terminology for this, but anyway, I did the top side. I'm going to be working underneath. I made this the other day. Just a block of wood, or a piece of wood, with a hole drilled in it with a bolt sticking up. Because I was always looking for a place to mount the GoPro, my Hero 4. I was always looking for a place to mount this. This way I can set it on the floor. I'll be able to tip it without it falling over. I just had a hard time trying to figure out a place to put this. So anyway, I got a brain fart and I went with it. Let's start by removing the wheels. Breaking my ball. Not only will it give a little bit more room to move, but it'll give a little bit more light under there. Nope, that ain't gonna work. That ain't working. lot of this is good. A good candidate for a handheld wire brush, because I can only get so much in here. Oh man, still not getting any easier to get up off this creeper. Much better. Take a lot longer, but it's much better. I'm thinking you get the idea here, so I'm just going to shut you off. Continue this probably for the next 3 hours, and turn you back on a little later. Okay, I'm going to try and show you the best I can. I just took a little handheld wire brush, got in everything. I'm even going to do the drums. I did inside. I did the, I guess you would call it I guess you would call that a trailing arm. It's more of a trailing arm than it is a, well, it is a, oh, what do they call that? Drums again. Inside, outside, underneath the, whatever you call that. Torsion bar suspension. All up in there. Everything. Too much to get with a wire brush on a drill. Okay, well, now I have to go get some Rust-Oleum rust reformer, and I think I might stop over at the Airmont Cemetery and visit my friend George, check out his new headstone. All right, I'll be back. I'll be back. Thank you to everybody involved in getting George's headstone. You all know who you are. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Back from Aces to Place, and the Airmont Cemetery. I said I was going to be stopping over to see our friend George and his new headstone finally. Thank you to all involved in getting the headstone. Alright, not sure when the camera cut out, but I just went to pick it up and do a walk around. This is one, sometimes two coats of semi-gloss. Got all the spots that I couldn't get before, all underneath. Just clean it up. Just make it look presentable. Next step, putting the I guess I'm going to be putting the transmission in. And undercoating over here and on the other side where I did some patchwork. Patchwork on both sides, yeah. I'll undercoat the best I can. And call it a day, I guess. But I'm liking it. I'm a sticky mess from overspray, but I guess a shower will take care of that. Shower and a good scrubbing. Okay. Well, that's that. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe.